Nice rainy day. Gotta get up here to this unit. It's for a produce case, not running. It's in a pump down right now. I gotta see if it's on defrost or just out. Thermostat, something like that, but you can see where I gotta get my ladder here. It's no good. It's all a bunch of cable wiring and telecom. So I gotta get up there to work on this. No fun. Especially in the pouring rain here. I'm already drenched. But figure out what's going on, I'll let you guys know. I don't know how well you can see here, guys, in the rain and everything, but my pressure's on 404A. Running low. You can see the sight glass. Yeah, flashing, bubbling. This thing's low on gas, so we got a leak somewhere. We're gonna have to look around. Most likely it's inside. I don't see any signs up here, but it's gonna be inside somewhere, so we gotta go in and leak check this thing. So I'm just looking around this coil here, guys, on my leak detector. You can see this valve here. Still that's half frosted. Going in there, stopping this coil because we're low on gas. Case is lovely, huh? Look at the inside of this thing. Beautiful, isn't it? Picking up something here on the Schrader. That's about it, though. The only thing I'm finding right here, I always check around my valves and everything first. Lovely, though, isn't it? Look at that. That's what you get with produce. Big multi-deck case, about 10, 12 foot long multi-deck produce case. I'm going to tighten this Schrader up and look around other places too for a leak. So I'm going to change out the Schrader core here, guys. Get a nice shut-off valve here. I don't have to use my valve tool. Just turn this in. The system will pump down. Hear the gas stop? Since this is on the suction line, I'll pump it down. Be like no pressure in this. We can change out that Schrader core nice and easy. Pumping right down. It may take a couple minutes, but she'll come down. We can change that out. You can see now, guys, my new Schrader core is in, valve stem, whatever you want to call it. That's not leaking. We're going to go outside and check too. But you can see something as simple as this can make a very, very slow leak over time. And this thing isn't empty, but it's just low. It's low enough that it's keeping this case running at like 48, and they wanted it like 38. You can hear the gas hissing through. That's because it's low on charge and you're mixing discharge gas in with your liquid. So it'll make that hissing sound. It'll also make that sound if you got real high head pressure too. Like if you got a condenser motor out or something, because the gas can't condense right. So you'll hear that hissing sound like that in your liquid line and through your valve going into your evaporator gas. Too, I plugged my fan motor back, you know, look at this. This won't go. This thing's dying too. Look at the crap all over this blade. Case is disgusting. I'm gonna see if I got a motor in my truck for this thing. Change this out too, but this is what happens when you don't do maintenance, guys. Isn't that beautiful? So we gotta get some gas in this thing and get it charged up. What I'm doing is I'm just weighing my tank in here in my truck so I know what we have in here for how much I use, because I don't want to bring my scale out in the pouring rain today and get it ruined or have it fry or something. So just weighing in here, we got 22.6. so once we're done, we'll see how much gets in this thing and we can calculate our charge from there, so we know what to charge the customer for. We're getting her charged up now, guys. See the sight glass still flashing a bit. She's going. I'll let you know when we're done here. And you can see us frosting back here, but that's because I'm dumping liquid in here. You want to be careful too, you don't want to go too fast and flood back your compressor valve. That's why we got a suction accumulator for that tank there. That'll catch the liquid and then pull the vapor off the top of it so you're not slugging all kinds of liquid back to your compressor while you're trying to charge it. That's what the suction line accumulator's for. Help save your compressor when you're charging, or if you got other issues with the system, the liquid slugging back. So I got that old motor out. I got one in my truck that'll work, guys. Cleaned up this bracket a bit, the blade, because it was just caked with dust and crap like this. All you gotta do is just cut this off the plug, wire it into the new one, so we can just plug this motor right in, get it all hooked up, and that should take care of that. You can see you got a new motor in, guys, all in and running. If you look, I gotta finish charging this, but it's mostly charged. See our expansion valve's back to normal now. It's not frosting. You have light frost on your distributor tubes, which is totally normal. We're getting the charge good. Fans in. We're running. This case is already back down to like 36. I just gotta top off a little bit more of the gas, and that'll be about it. We're pretty much all charged up, guys. This is kind of what you want to see for 404A, 50, 55 back. On the suction side, 250 head. It's cooler today. Warmer day, you'll have a higher back pressure too, maybe 60, 65, 275 head. That's normal. 404A runs a bit high, especially on the high side. But that's it. This one's getting wrapped up. We're just about down to temp. Everything's good. Get out of this rain. Getting drenched out here. So, like I said, I looked elsewhere for leaks out here and everywhere else. Nothing else came up. So it's looking right now with just that straighter. I'm thinking this evaporator here maybe getting a little porous as well. This is all holding corroded, but I doubt they're going to be changing that anytime soon. Alright guys, hope everyone's doing well. So that call is done. Ended up putting 6 pounds of gas in that thing. Not much, just enough to keep her going. So it's just down enough to have it run warm, so we got it cycling good. I think that evaporator in there may be getting porous too. The thing's old and you can see the crap that was in that pan. Produce corrodes up coils. Some of it's very acidic, and it makes the coils porous and it rots them out. Plus that thing's disgusting. I also wrote up that we need to go in there and clean that thing, but who knows if the customer will even want to pay for it. We got to do it after hours if we do, either real early in the morning or at night. Can't have that going on when the store's open, because we got to run a hose in there and really flush that thing out good. The whole coil was filthy too. And just to mention too, that hissing you were hearing, how I said it was low on gas and you got the discharge gas mixing with the liquid. That's because there's a headmaster in that unit, because the unit's an outdoor condensing unit. When that headmaster is bypassing, it's taking that discharge gas and it's not running it through the condenser, it's running it straight into the receiver. So your gas can't turn from vapor to a liquid on the discharge side. It goes right in the receiver, and that's what makes it hiss, because it just comes right into the liquid line like that. So I just wanted to mention that to you guys as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and be back on the next one. I don't know when it is. I got a little footage of something else I did this afternoon. I'll put in another quick pro tips video maybe in a couple days, later this week or something. But thank you again everyone for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want. I'll catch you boys on the next one.